Hello everyone, today we'll be learning Tamia's So Into You in its original key, which is a super easy song with only one chord pattern. For reference, here's middle C. We'll be playing in the key of B flat major. We have two flats, B flat and E flat. Our first chord is C minor 7. On the left, we have C. On the right, we have E flat, G, B flat, C minor 7. Our next chord is G minor 7. On the left, we have our G. On the right, we have D, F, and B flat. Our final chord is F major. On the left, we have F. On the right, we have C, F, and A. Again, chords are C minor 7, G minor 7, and F major. So again, the chords are C minor 7, G minor 7, and F major. Now we can also play the chords differently just to give it a fuller sound. For the first chord, C minor 7, on the left we have C octaves, and on the right we have B flat, E flat, G, and B flat. For G minor 7, on the left we can have G octaves, and on the right we have B flat, D, F, and B flat. For F major, we're using the same chord as before. On the left we have F, on the right we have C, F, and A. Let's try this variation again. C minor 7, G minor 7, and F major. And this chord progression is repeated for the entire song.